Let's talk about winter camping in the Winnebago Revel. This is a hot topic, or should I say cold, so let's get started.
Start your heater early. Sometimes it takes a while for it to heat up. Make sure both the diesel and the electric element are engaged. The system will alternate between the two depending on what it needs. I highly advise that you check your battery levels well before your winter camping adventure. Make sure that they're topped off either through solar or through shoreline power. You'll need that electric power in order to run the fan associated with your heater. Make sure you close your blinds for extra insulation. Invest in a Max Air vent cover. It'll keep out the cold, it'll keep out the heat, and it'll keep out the road noise when you're going down the highway. Don't forget to use your diesel additive in really cold temperatures. And make sure you always close the back blind. Seems kind of intuitive, but it helps provide insulation from the cold air that might be coming from the back door. Make sure you get a comfortable, heavy wool blanket or additional covers, just in case it gets really cold. This is the one everyone really wants to know. Can I use my cassette toilet in the winter while camping? The answer is yes. Go ahead and add your digestive enzyme. Add a little RV antifreeze fluid. And flush with a little fresh water each time you use the bathroom. Empty the cassette as you normally would, and you're good to go. And obviously, one of the best things for winter camping is a good fire pit. We prefer a propane fire pit that it's easy to turn off in the event that there's any fire dangers, but obviously in the winter that's less of an issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and watch for more content.